Hey guys, it's Tony W. Today we're going to review the ROCKPALS 60-watt solar panel. This is a pretty awesome foldable portable solar panel that I paired with my Jackery Explorer 240. How I normally use it is whether you're doing camping or you're going off the grid for a while, I just put it on my car's windshield or on the roof or on the hood or even on the rear windshield, wherever faces the sun more, so I get the most amount of rays. I usually move the car or move the panels during the daytime. So what I do is I actually just run the cable into the weather stripping of the door and have it connected to my Jackery Explorer 240 big battery. This is my power inverter as well as a battery. Powers 12 volts, does 110 volt as well as USB power. Pretty awesome. I really love it, and I travel with this a lot with my car. So anyways, it's charging. It goes to about 30 watts all the way to roughly 40-ish watts. So not as super efficient as I thought, but at the same time, according to even the manuals and stuff, I could usually just use an AC adapter. It charges at 62 watts, or even the car cigarette lighter power supply, the 12 volt one, and that charges, I think, roughly around 60-ish too. According to the manual, for 60 watt, it usually takes about 4 hours, so it seems about right in terms of this 60 watt panel. The good thing is that it comes with all the cables and stuff that you need in terms of like those MC whatever connectors, those solar connectors, and it has a bunch of adapters so you can connect to whether it's a Jackery or the other brands of power batteries. When it's charging, the light does go on. There are 3 USB ports in the back that does fast charging and stuff. The good thing is that the USB ports point into the bag, so that means you can put your cell phone or a battery in here. It's convenient that it has a bag that actually fits that way, which is nice. Compared to size to my other 60 watt, it folds down a lot easier for packing and storing. It is a little heavier than a 2-fold solar panel kit, and it does have rings for you to hang this thing. So you can see there's 4 rings on both sides, but it folds pretty well. And I really do like the ROCKPALS one because it's just smaller and more compact to bring around with me along with my Jackery. Now for the other ones, it is a little heavier because of all the extra folds and the fabric and I guess wiring to keep all those 4 panels together. But overall, super small design, which is really nice. It's very convenient for camping where you're basically want to pack small anyways. Anyways, guys, this is Tony W. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.